Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide, and today we're going to be doing Dom's charger actually as part of this Lego set I purchased from AliExpress. So I'm going to be doing this set. You're going to be seeing me making it visually, and I will then speed it up for you guys to show you what the final result is, guys. Thought it was something unique to show for the channel as well. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this one. So just to give you a bit of an update, we've got everything cleared up on our desk, and now we're ready to start. got Dom's charger completed. However, as you can tell, there's something very big missing from this one, and that is this. This is meant to be sitting flush here, so it gives you that to Dom's charger. However, it just, once I put this in the wrong way, I was like, okay, maybe I'll just pull it out. I couldn't pull this out, guys. It was the worst thing I could do. That is snapped off at the end. So I've had to pay £9 to get this, the little brick, because this rubbish thing is stuck inside the brick, and this little section, just so that I can complete this car. Man, this is like, I hate this one. Like, I hate this one. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll send you an update when I have it, and I'll post it on the channel as a picture, so you guys know that this is what it looks like after it's been completed. I was thinking of just super gluing it at this point, but do you know what, if I want to do it properly, I might as well just do it properly. So yeah.